The Dreamy Journey of a Little Cloud. In the bright blue sky, far above the busy world, there lived a tiny, fluffy cloud named Puffy. He was small, gentle, and full of big dreams. He loved imagining all the wonderful places he could someday visit. Little did he know, his adventure was about to begin. One sunny morning, a soft breeze whispered, "Little cloud, do you want to see the world?" Puffy's eyes sparkled. "Oh yes, I really do." The breeze giggled and lifted him gently, and just like that, Puffy's dreamy journey began. They floated above a colorful meadow. Children pointed at Puffy and laughed, saying he looked like a bunny, and then like a giant marshmallow. Puffy giggled so much he changed shapes over and over again. Soon, he reached the sparkling sea. The waves whispered, "Hello, little cloud. Someday you will join us as rain." Puffy worried, "Will I disappear?" The sea replied kindly, "No, you will only change and then return to the sky again." Next, Puffy floated toward a tall, snowy mountain. The mountain's deep voice rumbled, "You are brave, little cloud. Keep exploring. The world is big, and so is your heart." Later, Puffy felt heavy, full of tiny raindrops. The gentle wind whispered, "It's time to share your water." So Puffy let the rain fall softly. Flowers lifted their heads, birds played in puddles, and children danced with joy. Puffy felt warm and happy inside. When the rain was over, Puffy felt light again. He rose into the sky and smiled. "I didn't disappear. I helped the world." From that day on, Puffy wasn't just a tiny cloud. He was Puffy, the brave explorer, and the sky was full of new dreams waiting for him. The end. Sleep peacefully, little dreamer.